December, an explosive month, guys. Let us investigate further in terms of the cryptosphere, but more specifically XRP, because there seems to be a lot of news brewing, boiling up in the pot, and probably will erupt in the month of December. So, first things first from Ripple. With Ripple payments, Brazil's TradingView bank can offer more affordable payments methods and deliver near instant settlements to streamline global payment management while providing 24/7, 365 days access to liquidity. Ripple is back to tweeting again, guys. Here we go. Let us check out what this is about.
My name is João Manuel Campanelli Freitas. I work for TradingView Group in Brazil. TradingView is a major important group for FX around the world. In Brazil, we have two companies. We have the brokers to sell and buy banknotes in more than 100 malls, and we have the bank attending the commercial transactions for the clients here in Brazil. Our biggest challenge is to show a new process, a new ways for the payments for our customers around the world. And now our process is very easy, and we provide different forms to liquidation through our partners, our correspondents around the world. The Ripple payment solution was implemented here. We've increased and upgraded our process and give us a new technologies.
There we go, guys, right? Think about it. People think Ripple is this and that, right? XRP has a lot of haters, but look how the XRP ecosystem, guys, is expanding, right? With Ripple partnerships, Ripple targeting different countries and nations. Why? Because everyone needs to get online, right? Become online.
Can I insert the ODL process in our platform? We gave more efficiently, and we know a new market about the cryptocurrencies. This process was provided to us enter in new corridors and new markets. We have, for example, more than 10 companies from here to new companies that I cannot work until now. The Ripple system was provided us to enter in this market and work with these companies through this process, for example. The benefit to working with Ripple in South America is very important to us. We have a project to expansion in Latam, and therefore the products of Ripple solutions and knowledge of the other countries around us is very important to provide us more easily to enter and to work in these countries. Ripple is an ideal partner because his ideas. He likes to think different and to think outside of the box. This is very important for this market. We are living in a moment that are changing our market in Brazil. We are asking for a strong disregulation of our process. We have a new deals here. For example, the digital real was living in Brazil. Now we have the instant payments through PIX, and we have the regulation of the FX process, and therefore we need to think different in this moment. The future is a permanent challenge for us. When I said that we are living a deregulation of the market, we have a new situation for cross-border payments from Brazil and to Brazil. And I believe our relation with Ripple is very important to us, to growth and to development and new products and new markets to conquer with our process.
There we go, guys. It's pretty simple to say the least what's really occurring, right? In plain view. But yes, the traditional financial system, guys, takes time, right? It's like a turtle. But remember the turtle and the hare? Who wins at the end, guys, right? Think about it for a second. TradingView Bank accesses new markets and customers with Ripple payments, right? Goal: to expand into new corridors and provide customers with a superior global payments experience, right? Swift is too slow. What have we been talking about, guys? Come on. They say it right here, guys, from their mouth, not from mine. Swift isn't fast enough. Move value across borders in an instant with Ripple's cross solutions for business, right? Or crypto solutions for business. Swift versus XRP. Swift 3 to 5 working days, by the way. XRP 4 seconds cross-border payment. Swift isn't fast enough, guys. There we go, right? Even if XRP captures a small amount of Swift's network, guys, right, XRP will explode to the upside. Solution: with Ripple payments, TradingView Bank can offer more affordable payment methods and deliver near instant settlement to streamline global payments management while providing it never sleeps, right? Access to liquidity. In just 1 year, TradingView Bank gained 10 new clients by connecting to Ripple's global payments network, which covers more than 90% of the FX markets, guys, right? So things are moving, as we can see right here. So that's that, right? Things are looking quite well. Now, what about the month of December though? Because look what's happening, guys. Maybe this is perhaps going under the radar a little bit. From Assets Daily, new XRP ETP set to revolutionize European XRP investments in December, right? Guess what else can maybe occur in December as well, guys? Do you guys want to know? Well, the Bitcoin ETF, right? There's a deadline for January something, guys, early January, but I think it was JP Morgan. One of these institutions stated that they're predicting, they believe the Bitcoin ETF will go live in December. But look what's happening. Maybe this ties in with that sort of news, right? For FOMO. Because new XRP ETP set to revolutionize European XRP investments in December as well, right? Valor's upcoming XRP ETP will provide European investors with a seamless and secure avenue to gain exposure to XRP. There we go, right? This is really good, guys. A cornerstone of the cryptocurrency markets by offering this innovative product. Valor empowers investors to directly participate in the digital asset revolution through their trusted banks or brokers. Wow. So, esteemed industry leaders such as CoinShares 21Shares and ETC Group have already played a pivotal role in popularizing investment products focused on XRP. Right? In 2023 alone, XRP ETPs have witnessed an impressive inflow of $13 million. But now listen, right? That's nothing. Well, that is something, guys, but we need more, right? We need a lot of liquidity. Which these institutions need to seed these ETPs and ETFs, right? If I'm not mistaken, which they need to buy it off of where? The open market, which pumps the price up, right? So with Bitcoin going to get their ETF approved, guys, soon, that's going to put more eyes on the cryptocurrency market, not only on Bitcoin, right? A lot of eyes will be on Bitcoin, which will be generally good for the whole space in general, guys, right? It'll be good for the whole space in general, but it'll put eyes on XRP. Why? Because XRP has clarity, right? There's even Charles Hoskinson just came out recently bashing the SEC. Why? Because they gave Bitcoin, I guess, and these other assets such as Ethereum the free pass, right? But what has clarity on paper, guys? XRP does. Do you guys see how they timed it correctly with the bull run, right? December 2023 is poised to make a significant impact on the European financial landscape. XRP ETP, guys. So, as XRP continues to gain traction, right? European investors eagerly anticipate the arrival of the XRP ETP, which promises to unlock the potential of XRP and offer a seamless entry point into the world of digital assets. There we go, guys. High demand, right? Growing demand, and all these things. Looking very bullish, to say the least. Bullish for XRP. New ETP to debut in Europe in December, guys. So as we see right here, this is another sign, guys, right, of gathering institutional support for cryptocurrencies. This is why it's important, right? They are coming into the play in full force, guys, right? There is no more waiting. The addition of the XRP ETP is part of Valor's broader strategy to provide investors with the access to a range of digital assets in a regulated format, right? Especially the traditional financial system, guys, right? The people who are invested over there, such as stocks, most things are regulated, right? Regulations are already set in place. With XRP or specifically, actually, the entire cryptosphere, guys, we don't have a framework for regulations, right? So now these people can buy into the ETFs such as Bitcoin and the ETPs such as XRP, right? Giving them more clarity and regulations, right? While they get a small percentage. The institutions that have created these products, right? Check this out though. This is the most funniest thing of my life, guys. When we talk about 21Shares and their Ripple XRP's ETP, right? Which is an exchange traded products, allows exposure to the asset without directly owning it. The underlying asset is kept in cold storage and is not traded in public markets, okay? But guess what? 21 shares XRP ETP, and look who the investors are, guys. What? Investors for 21 shares for the XRP ETP as following are Pomp, right? Anthony Pomp, Catherine Wood, Morgan Creek Digital. Wait, what? Pomp supposedly hates XRP, right, in the public view, but indirectly and directly they're investing, guys, right, into XRP. Wait, what? Don't we see, right? They're all liars, guys, at the end of the day. Not only is Pomp invested into 21 shares personally, Morgan Creek is as well, right? Which they have publicly denounced the XRP ledger along with Pomp. So it's a funny thing, guys, right? Valor Equity Partners is an investor in 21 shares as well. The founder is also a board member at SpaceX and ex-Goldman Sachs, guys, right? The spider web keeps on growing, guys. It's the craziest thing, right? All of them, their hands are in everything, guys. Crazy. Everything in liquid assets will move to the ETF ATP structure. They're saying it in plain view.
Well, I think that ETFs will continue to sort of overwhelm other structures. Everything in liquid assets will move to the ETF ETP structure. So I think the areas that are most important are the US and Europe because of UCITS, which allows you to go to really the rest of the world. And so I think we'll continue to move into every market around the world because it's just where all the energy is, not just for the consumer experience, but the largest asset managers in the world are all heavily focused on the wrapper itself. Well,
this is the craziest thing of my life, guys, right? I can't believe it because a flood of institutions are incoming, guys, right? Which should make cryptos explode to the upside, right? Unless they rug pull everyone and there's something else brewing, which we may talk about in my second channel, guys, soon, Cryptox. How this quote-unquote bull cycle will quickly finish, dump it, right? Recession and whatnot, and then pump it back up again. But I'm eyeing towards April, guys, of 2024. Justin, whales have purchased around 11 million XRP over the past week, worth $6.82 million. Is XRP about to take off, guys? Right? Looking very beautiful. And this is another reason. Hey, Uphold, asking for a friend, but when are y'all starting to purchases of XRP off the open market in December, right? Because remember, Uphold is partnered with Ripple for Ripple payments, right? And they're not going to, Uphold stated this to themselves, guys, directly. They're not going to be using clients or customers XRP, right, to fund Ripple payments or ODL. They're going to be having their own XRP fund, probably, which they're probably have to buy, guys, off of the open markets as well, which will do what to the price, push it up and up and up, right? We were going to talk more about Uphold, guys, but I think that should be set for now. That should be good for now, because I think Uphold may tie into the Riddlers, right, with their logo and whatnot. So let us see what happens in the future, guys. But things are looking quite well for the months to come. Not financial advice at the end of the day. But anyways, that's all for you guys' amazingness. See ya.